Hey everyone, it's Jack with another Tip Tuesday. So head over to reimastermind.net for any kind of corresponding links here. But this week I wanted to talk about a way in which to make every single property that you own a profitable one. And we're going to do that simply by grabbing our profit first. See, most of us will operate and manage our business or property by checkbook financing, if you will, where we spend what is available in that account at any given moment. One of those really interesting things that we can do to trick ourselves is simply by setting aside our profit and then operate what's remaining. So I want you to go to your bank, create a new account, something that might be a little harder to get into and harder to simply write a check from. Maybe it's even a savings account, so you actually have to transfer funds, because we want to protect that money. We want to keep it separate from everything else, because that is our profit. And you don't have to start off with something crazy, maybe a percentage or two at first, but we want to maybe inch that up as we progress here over the course of time. If you want 10% return, maybe you set aside 10%. But for the time being, let's just kind of get into the habit of this. So we're going to set up that account. We're not going to touch that. And you're going to be surprised to find that the money that you have remaining is more than enough to manage and operate that property. If you want to go into more detail regarding this concept, I'm going to point you to a recent episode number 312 with David Richter. We talk about profit first for real estate investing. So you can find that episode as well if you head over to reimastermind.net. But better yet, he's written a book, so you might want to check that out, or pick up the original Profit First by Mike Michalowicz. I'll have some of those links in the show notes as well. reimastermind.net. We'll see you next time.